Dogecoin value expectation rundown. Dogecoin cost conjecture proposes a chance of Doge exchanging between $0.2129 to $0.2485 in 2025, or so they sort of explicitly thought in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin fundamentally is presently valued at $0.0893 in the market in an actually for the most part significant manner, or so they certainly thought. Our Dogecoin actually genuinely long-haul conjecture for 2050 recommends Doge possibly going somewhere in the range of $0.0937 and $0.1045, which sort of generally is very huge and in every way that really matters, large way. The sort of truly normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030 in every practical sense truly is supposed to basically in a real sense be $1.50, with kind of truly expected difference somewhere in the range of $1.45 and $1.64, or so they by and large thought, which really is genuinely huge. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.0770 mark in an unobtrusive manner, or so they fundamentally thought. Starting around 18 December 2023, Dogecoin especially sort of is exchanging at $0.0893 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.01% in essentially most recent 1 hour, in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Doge essentially has an actually especially complete market cap of $12,705,985,688, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $552,301,112, especially sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. This actually certainly makes Dogecoin, Doge, pretty truly positioning at 10 in the digital currency market, which especially for the most part is genuinely huge in a significant manner. On the off chance that you explicitly in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense really is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2040, what will Dogecoin by and large generally be for the most part lovely worth in 2040 in an every practical sense, huge way in a significant way? Is Dogecoin a very by and large wise speculation, or for the most part sort of worth purchasing in 2040 in a fundamentally huge manner, or so they generally thought? Will Doge cost in every practical sense, all things considered, outperform its record-breaking height, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? These generally explicitly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, exhibiting how these essentially in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an unpretentious manner, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2040, as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Doge cost certainly for the most part is supposed to generally in a real sense cross a really normal value level of $0.1024, the normal especially exceptionally least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to basically by and large be $0.0926. Which fundamentally basically is very critical, which for the most part shows that experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.0770 mark in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Besides, Doge can in every practical sense, in a real sense, arrive at a beautiful kind of greatest value level of $0.1053, which actually for the most part is very critical, exhibiting how our Dogecoin actually quite long-haul gauge for 2050 recommends Doge possibly running somewhere in the range of $0.0937 and $0.1045, which sort of for the most part is very huge. Kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Doge value gauge December 2023, the Dogecoin figure for December 2023 expects that the Doge may basically sort of arrive at a greatest worth of $0.1053, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.0926, or so they basically thought in a truly significant manner. Discussing the kind of normal value Doge can fundamentally sort of stretch around $0.1024 for December, so Dogecoin in every practical sense is at present evaluated at $0.0893 on the lookout, which in a real sense in every way that really matters is very huge. Dogecoin certainly kind of passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally truly has been especially for the most part diminished by 5.88% in its by and large kind of current worth, showing how that truly in every practical sense, normal extended cost for Dogecoin in 2030, especially basically is supposed to truly be $1.50. With quite of expected difference somewhere in the range of $1.45 and $1.64, which explicitly basically is genuinely critical amazingly. On the off chance that we super look at the by and large fundamentally current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can essentially truly see that the market cap actually truly is likewise down. So besides Doge can generally basically arrive at an actually by and large most extreme value level of $0.1053, which ridiculously is very huge. Showing how starting around 18 December 2023 Dogecoin especially is exchanging at $0.0893 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.01% in fundamentally in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin basically in a real sense is confronting a sort of kind of difficult time jumping aboard with sort of most certainly other crypto coins, showing how experts project a bullish pattern for Dogecoin in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $0.0770 mark, which all things considered, is genuinely critical in spite of prevalent thinking. The Doge for the most part by and large is down to nearly 9.57% in the decently for the most part most recent 7 days, which certainly generally is very critical, which generally is very huge. The coin in every practical sense, for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, exceptionally past essentially not many days, the coin could especially explicitly have actually areas of strength for especially at the same time, we don't all things considered really feel that it would a productive resource and sort of genuinely momentary in a reasonably in every practical sense huge way, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value conjecture 2040 facts. What will by and large be Dogecoin especially fundamentally worth in 2040 in every practical sense, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they essentially thought. The Doge cost certainly especially is determined to explicitly fundamentally arrive at an essentially most certainly greatest degree of $0.1053, with most certainly least cost of $0.0926 toward the finish of 2040, which most certainly is genuinely huge, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Does Dogecoin in a real sense truly have a future, which basically most certainly is very critical, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking? As far as value, Dogecoin sort of has a remarkable really potential to in every practical sense, especially arrive at new levels, exhibiting that starting around 18 December 2023 Dogecoin basically for the most part is exchanging at $0.0893 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.01% in quite most recent 1 hour in a very essentially huge manner. Certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. It for the most part basically is estimate that Doge will increment in esteem, so Dogecoin value figure 2040 facts. What will fundamentally explicitly be Dogecoin decently genuinely worth in